Oh, you want to get rich quick, right? Okay, in this video, I will really, without any jokes or anything, I will tell you the quickest way possible right now on the internet to make money, right? And I've been doing it because I've made about $127,000 of profit in the first year by exactly this method. And in the second year, I've made over $380,000 exactly with this method. And now I'm on track to make even more. But here I will just reveal everything. I hope this video won't go viral, really, because I'm just going to tell you the unscripted, unedited, like unfiltered truth on how you can actually do that, right? Now, what do I mean by getting rich quick? So what getting rich quick means? So if you want to get rich quick, that means that you want money, right? You want to make as much money as possible on your bank account. Cool, right? So the fastest way to do that is, I think you know that, and it might be boring, but stick with me, have your attention span a little bit more, because this video can really change your life, is that what you need is you need to solve other people's problems. That's it, right? If you want to buy an Android or an iPhone, it solves your problem of entertainment, education, taking photos, taking videos, having calls, all of it solves your problem, right? If you go and if you buy a banana, right? Or if you buy groceries, or if you order a pizza, they solve your problem that you are hungry and you want to eat, right? No matter what, if you want to make money, you are going to solve a problem. So here's the quick thing that no one tells you. To solve problem, you need someone else's attention, right? Because there are 1 million people or 1 million dentists in the world, right? That then can help you. Or there are 10 million doctors or whatever, right? Or there are so many people that can help you to solve your problem, right? If you right now go to the supermarket or you go to the store, there are like 1,000 brands for the same product. So the way to make money is not only solve the problem, but also to get attention. And especially if you want to get rich quick, you need to get attention. So let me tell you how you can do that. So if I was someone that I wanted to make money, as much money as possible, if I didn't care about burning out, about balance, work-life balance, I just wanted to make money, right? This is what I would do. I would figure out every day, how can I get attention and what are the underpriced places on the internet to get attention, and I will tell you right now how you can do that. And the second thing, I would try to sell them on how I can solve their problem. That's it. You literally need someone to get their attention and to sell them on your solution and to solve their problem. That's all you need to get rich quick, right? I'm not saying you will get rich in a day, right? But you can do it in several months. You can make your first money online on the internet, or you can even potentially, it's possible, make your 10K a month in like 6, 12, or 24 months. It's very, very quickly if you relate to other professions where you need to work for 20 years to make that money, right? So this is how you would do that. First thing is you need to understand how you can get attention. Can you go and start demanding people on Twitter? Is that unique? No, everyone can do that, right? So you need to figure out how you can hack the system and how you can get attention. Let me explain. When TikTok started, if you know Andrew Tate, what he did, he was basically paying other people. He was going and saying controversial stuff, like talking about that, and he was paying people to cut clips from him saying controversial stuff, and he was posting thousands of videos every day on TikTok about himself. And of course he went viral because he understood what's the one way to get attention that not everyone is doing, right? So he did that. What I did about 3 or 4 years ago when I started my career, I understood that there's a lot of room to grow on YouTube. Or either people say it's oversaturated, etc. I understood. I see channels popping off every day. So of course you can pop off every day and go viral, right? But I didn't want to show myself. So I found a niche that was going viral, and I started creating faceless videos about that. That's how I got like over 150 million views over the past couple of years with that, and I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars in the process, right? So that is exactly what I've done. I found out a niche, I found out people, how they're getting attention, how they're getting eyeballs, right, on the internet. I, boom, jumped on it, and guess what? I solved the problem of these people when they were bored, and they watched my videos, they got entertained, they made money. Next year, what I did, right? I grew my YouTube channels, I became successful with that. So other people started asking me how you can help us to scale our YouTube channels as well. I spent 2 years on my channel, it's not growing at all. What things I am not seeing? How can you help me? What mistakes I am making? So I got all of these things. So what I did, I grabbed these people's attention, right? I started on Instagram, etc. I was creating content, being loud, right? Talking to people, DMing people, asking people, just basically making as many offers as possible to people, being in front of everyone's eyes, and I was making them offer. Okay, I can help you with this. Boom, I jump on the call, they pay, and I really help them, right? That's it. That's as simple as it is. So if you want to actually get rich quick, as quick as possible, right? As much money in the short term, then the best thing that you can do is that you need to get people's attention, and then you need to make offers. That's it. If someone is sending 1,000 cold emails and you are sending just 10 cold emails every day, they will beat you. They get more attention. If someone is posting 5 pieces of content every day and is the same quality as yours, but you just post 1 time a week, they will beat you. So the best way is you need to be very aggressively on one platform. Just pick one platform. Don't be on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, one platform, and you go and be as loud there as possible by creating really good content, or you run ads, no matter you send DMs, you just do it in a smart way and you grab people's attention, and then you tell them, I can help you solve this exact problem, right? That's it. You solve their problem and you get paid. This is exactly what I have done. I started by getting attention online, solving problems of entertaining people, then also solving people of educating people on how they can make money exactly as I've done, and that's why I've done it, right? If you look at Andrew Tate, that got rich relatively quickly. What he did, he got attention and he helped other people to did what he did and he made money, right? So that's all it is. Get attention and sell someone. Right now, if you're watching this video, no other course. If you watch Ivan Ghazi, if you watch Hamza, if you watch Andrew Tate, no matter, nothing else will help you. Then if you right now just focus on how you can get more attention and how you can get better at sales. That's it. You get attention, you make as many offers as possible, you sell them, and you solve their problem. That's it. And if you want to make wealth, that's another thing. It's not about get rich quick. Then of course you need to solve people's problems really well. If you solve someone a problem really well, they will tell their friends, you will have a testimonial client result, and that's how you build real wealth. Then you can remove yourself from the process, you can hire people, you can do all of these things. And the way to build real sustainable wealth is through creating real value, right? So that's what you need. But if you are someone that wants to just make as much money as possible in the short term, that's your objective goal, then the best way is this. Get attention, pick one platform, go and figure that out, just post there every day, and trust me, you will get better at it, and you don't have to show your face, you can do it with or without. No excuses are there. Pick one platform, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you are using the most because you know that platform better. Start there today. Pick any niche that you are interested in, football, soccer, self-development, going to the gym. Pick there, start content, make noise, get to people, develop trust with them, sell them on something, right? And solve the problem. The more problems you will solve, the more people's attention you will have. So then you are able to solve their problem, the more money you can make. So this is how it works. And if you want to know like practically how I've done it, right? How I've made more than $500,000 in just a couple of years, starting from zero, I was making just $4 a month as a broke student in a poor country in Europe, and how I've made it, right, to this point. I literally had nothing than an internet and a laptop. I didn't even have a phone. And nowadays you can do it with a phone. If you want to know practically how you can do that, right now I will send you to a free video that you can watch. I'm not telling you anything there that you can do that. But the last thing for you to have in your mind, you can get rich relatively quickly, but you cannot get rich easy. It's not possible. Unless you get lucky, it's not possible. So stop listening to people that say, oh, it's easy. No, it will take work. Even if it's 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, you make money online relatively quickly. It's still not going to be super easy. It's still going to take you time, effort, money, energy, right? Most important thing, energy, focus. You need to do it. There will be obstacles, and that's what's going to take you. But I truly believe that if you become rich or make your first $1,000 a month or 2 or 5, 10, 20 in 1 year, 2 years, it's different for each person. It's so much better than someone that goes of 10 years of school and then 4 years university, and then after 15 years they are not making even as much money as you do. So I do believe that this is the best thing. And the thing here is that not doing this is also hard. Yes, getting rich is hard, but not being rich is also hard. Not making money is hard. Struggling to pay your bills is also hard. Looking at other people that are no better than you, that are making more money than you, is hard. So you just kind of need to choose your heart, what you want to do. And if you made it to this point, then you are the person that has the attention span, they are serious, they want to change your life. So I think you are on the right track. So for as long as you just focus on this, understand that right now the most valuable currency is attention. Go all in there, make money, and do a good job of serving your people the problems which you are solving, and you have a good reputation. There is no way that you won't build a long-term sustainable wealth. But this is exactly, if I had someone put a gun in my face and said, make money, I would get as much attention as I could on one platform, and I would be better at sales every day, do sales calls, be better, fail it, become better, to teach people they can solve their problems, and they just do it. Nothing else matters. So start here and it will help you. And as I said, if you want to know practically how I have done it, like how I went from being broke to doing this, like practical steps, 1, 2, 3, how I get attention, how I've made money, how I understood my niche, how I did it without being on camera, how I started from zero, so you can hopefully potentially do if you're ready to put in the work, then you can just click this video and watch it. It's free, I'm not selling you anything there, and I hope it can help you. So put in the work, watch the video, execute, and I hope to see you at the top soon. Cheers!